Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dylan Stewart. They call me the Mac Whisperer. I'm an Apple consultant and specialist. For the last 20 years, I have learned how to use every single Apple product, from the iPod to the iPhone, the iPad, the AirPods, the HomePod, you name it. If it's got an Apple on it, I've used it and I've perfected it. In this channel, I'm going to be bringing some of my best tips, tricks, tutorials, and ways to use Apple products directly to you. We'll be posting new content every week, and I'm really excited to bring to you some of the awesome tutorials on how to use Apple Music, how to use Apple Photos, how to organize your email, get your desktop under control. There are great tools here, but Apple doesn't always tell us how to use it. So that's what I'm here to do. I'm going to bring that information directly to you every week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the awesome content we're going to be putting out. And if you don't see what you're looking for, if you've got a question, a burning desire, if you just need the Mac Whisperer's help, put it in the comments section and I'll get back to you either by replying to your comment or maybe I'll make a video just for you. I can't wait for you to see what we've got inside of this YouTube channel, and I'll see you there. Thanks.